guys, Zach here, and as you read from the title, Vlog 3, guys. Vlog 3. And if you're wondering what this is, it's crust off of pizza. I like crust. Yes, but today we're gonna be going to like some abandoned places, and we're gonna be going to what fair, Ma?
Craft fair.
Craft fair. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Some abandoned buildings.
I hope we can find some abandoned buildings. But yes, so yeah, can't wait to go to the craft fair. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. But so yeah, bye. Okay, guys. The first thing we're doing is going to the bank because my mom can't pull up her like app thing for the bank. I don't know. And then the second thing we're doing is gonna go to the craft fair. The third thing is we're gonna be going to abandoned places. That's the third thing. So yeah, I'll see you when we're on the road. Hey guys, we are going outside right now, which I have this little egg thing. I guess when you like eat it, I guess there's like a chocolate surprise inside of it. There's something inside of it, I don't know. But we are going to the bank right now. So yeah. Guys, my mom is recording right now. Alright, let's open this right here. This is what my mom wants right here. Let me find it. Right there. She wants the poop. I probably want the same thing too. You can barely see me. There we go. So let's dig in. It's kind of cracked already. It's cracked. Uh-oh. Fall apart. Alright, let's test this. I'm good. Go. Uh-oh. I have eaten. I should have brushed my teeth. Alright.
With them.
It went anyway. A mouthful of chocolate. Here it is. Oh, we got the angel. Right here we did. Yeah. That's what we got, guys. I'm not sure if you guys see that. There you go. Let's do a. She's saying darn it. Darn it.
Darn it.
This is what we got.
You can get. You get 30
We got things you can get.
See it? Stickers, bracelets, magnets, 3D puzzles, and there's even more. A bunch of these guys. That's what my mom wants right there. That's crazy. Oh yeah, I got this one before. That was like the first one ever.
Hey guys, Mom, you pay attention to the road. I'll put it. It's kind of hard.
I'm gonna put my kitty cat right here.
Here, we'll put it right there. It might fall. There's Nemo. It's kind of a hassle. Okay, guys, that's how I did it. There we go. And it looks like there's the angel. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, it's supposed to be like 75 degrees tomorrow. That's absolutely crazy. What do you say about that, Mom?
It's really crazy. And I look ugly.
You don't look ugly. She says she looks ugly. No, she doesn't. Our car is a mess though.
I cleaned the back seat.
She did clean the back seat. We need to clean the car, the whole entire thing, Mom.
Yeah, we do.
All right. In the 75-degree weather, we need to clean our car, the car.
I agree.
She agrees. I'm not sure if you saw that, but at the end of the time lapse, I dropped the phone and it went like that. But yeah, here we are in Hy-Vee. I thought we were going to the bank, no?
We are.
Oh, we're going to the bank here.
Yeah, my bank.
Okay. Here we are at Hy-Vee. Hy-Vee. Okay, guys, we're walking in. Guys, we go here like every other vlog. Guys, apparently the app, like the bank app, I guess it's down. I guess it's it crashes when you launch it or something. I don't know, technical difficulties. I wanted to show you guys, look at Hy-Vee got new lights. Super cool, and then look at that over there. Wait, is it spinning anymore? Okay. See, it's spinning. That's cool. Alright guys, now we're going to the craft fair. So yeah. Okay guys, this place looks packed. This isn't it, but it's right here where all the cars are. Right over there, right here. It looks so packed. Oh, please tell me it's not packed. This is a high school?
Yeah.
Central High School. Will I go to this?
No.
Wait, will I go to TJ?
Probably good at.
Because when I go to high school, I'll go to AL. It's crazy. All right, guys, we're gonna go right into there. So, guys, the abandoned places, I'm gonna make that a separate video. So yes, if I did abandoned places in the vlog, it probably wouldn't be as well. So I'm gonna do that as a second video, like a different video. So yeah, I'll have more videos, and it'd just probably be better for you guys, so you don't have to watch to the end of this vlog. Here though, and it is outside.
Yeah, new one I told you.
Oh my god, it's freezing. Guys, it is freezing out here. Gotta put my coat on. My mom's holding the camera right now, so I don't have to edit a lot in this video. All right, guys, if you want to go here, it's $2 to pay.
Hey guys, $2 each, please. My counter didn't work. How are you?
Good.
Wide awake today?
Yeah, I never. Yeah, we thought it'd be warmer, but it's not.
It's kind of a benefit to the craft fair. It's really nice to have less. So we're kind of liking that.
There you go. Yeah, I bet.
Okay, guys, we're in here. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the skull. Guys, look at this basketball thing. That's cool. Guys, look at this. That's super cool. What does it smell like?
I just want to smell it.
It's wet.
Oh, that smells pretty good.
Mmm. I don't know why that made me cough, even though it smells really good. Guys, look at that. That's pretty cool. Look at this guy. It smells so good right here. You guys, look at this. That one looks like Jinx. Like it. I didn't notice this. Look at. That actually looks like it's coming out of the wall. That's pretty cool. Smelling mint. What is it?
Marshmallow mint.
Marshmallow mint? Oh no. I kind of like it. It's supposed to be cinnamon, guys. This is cinnamon.
That one is 5.3 bars worth
That's
of Scentsy for $20.
that smells like cinnamon. I want to see this, but I've already got you guys. See these? Jinx, looks like.
We gotta cut the tail off.
Cut the tail off, yeah.
There's a raccoon. Raccoon 47. Shout out to Raccoon 47. Shout out to Raccoon 47 because he is right over there. Guys, it's the blanket I want over here. Right there. I mean, that one's cool. And that one's cool. This one's my favorite right here. I love this one. I wonder how much these are. I really want that blanket. So we might come back to that over there, the blanket thing. So yeah. Guys, I really wanted that one, but they're out of that blanket. Sucks. We play a game of tic-tac-toe. She's O's and I'm X's. I'm gonna go right there. Go right there. I'm gonna go right there. Oh my god. I can't. I only have one more.
Because the rest are there. But go ahead.
Just.
I'll go
right there. It's a tie. I like that, guys. That's funny. $14, guys. That one's 18 now. The green too. Some more clocks, guys. I like that one right there. I like that one.
Lindsay McClare and Betty Freeland.
Guys, look at the clocks.
Raffle table.
That's cool. This one's 21. 21.
Don't have that problem.
Ooh.
No, smell
But then again, my microwave is
That smells good.
so I don't know if that could be a partial thing too.
Oh, this one looks
So
horrible.
that's something that maybe
Oh, that's just the
if you
packaging.
not have it turned, you might so far into it have to.
That one smells good too. What about this one? Is this the same?
I haven't tried that. That's something.
Oh, that smells like cookies. It smells like cookies. Guys, this is so cool. I get shattered so easy though. That's cool. Hey guys, I'm not getting that one over there, but I am gonna be getting this one right here. That one's out of stock. I'm gonna be getting this one right here, which is awesome. I can't wait. Okay guys, there it is. I've already saw it. It looks very cool. So it is that one, but on the back, it's like a bunch of little tigers, which is awesome. So yeah, this blanket is $30.
I'm going to get you a sack here. He'll probably just carry it. You don't even have to.
You don't want a sack?
No,
Just
he'll
carry
probably
it.
don't want a sack. Oh yeah, he'll want to carry it.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
I'm almost tempted.
I'm gonna show you the blanket.
Okay, tell me when to turn it around.
There it is. All right, turn it around, Mom. There it is. That's awesome, guys. Guys, there are more around the corner. This vlog is probably at like 20 minutes right now. It's so creepy.
Those kitty cats.
Oh. Guys, what is that? Yeah, I can turn my egg away. Goes with the eggs. Why is there so many eggs? They're empty. Wait, there's
Yeah,
something in
there's
there.
one for all of them, dear.
There's actually something in there.
One for each NFL. There's
You heard
one
that,
for
guys?
each NFL.
I'm happy with this blanket though. Holy crap, look at that huge mailbox. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Is that real? That's huge. Alright guys, we are sitting down. Some food, guys. Got some readers. I got something.
Ketchup.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta end the video. Guys, we're kind of in the middle of the road, so I gotta hurry. But there's the magnets. Can you open it?
I can open it for you.
Hold on, let me get one. These are magnets. I have a bunch. I got a bunch of them. As you can see, there's more in the other pouch that's right over there. That one. Yes, I got a bunch of them, so they're pretty nice. So I'm getting some magnets.
Lindsay McLean.
Again,
Iris C.
getting some magnets.
If you would please come to the table
Right
to
over there.
select your prize.
So just the rocks?
Guys, that is weird. It's like, I don't know. Sorry guys about like all the time lapse. Honestly, I just like time lapses. Eating my food right now, so yeah. Okay guys, we have reached the end of the vlog. Say bye, Mom. Bye. We have reached the end of the vlog. So yes, the abandoned places will be in part
not part 2 of the vlog, but it'll be in a separate video. So, excuse me. Yeah, so bye guys.